we say current trend be TB last week, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, that 5 days ago, that will be current trend. So if overall trend be uptrend, what do you think the current trend will be?
Uptrend.
Current trend will be consolidation. Currently, this is what they happen. The chart they consolidate.
Oh,
Currently, they do what? They consolidate. But overall, it be downtrend.
Up.
Sorry, uptrend. You get it? I mean, make I explain that again.
yes.
If you say overall trend, see where the chart is right now. Where the chart they start from here, right? Where price day currently. If like the chart they start from here, where currently price day below the chart, that when we go say downtrend. Where it is so structure. You say if we consider trend when price is so was structure, we happen over a period of time. But that when we talk of overall trend. So overall trend, see where the chart day now. See where the chart starts from there, see where it day currently. That when we consider what overall trend. See current trend. Current trend fit be 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, 6 days ago. So because it happened currently. But so current trend and what?
Consolidation.
Consolidation. Thank you. So now make me move to another chart. Make you identify the overall. Okay. From this chart, right? What do you think the overall trend will be?
Downtrend.
Uptrend.
Downtrend. Thank you. Chart starts from here, right? We currently they here. But downtrend. Make her do something. That they want use here. That close. Okay. But
Uh,
so what do you think the current trend will be?
uptrend.
Uptrend. Thank you. You get it? That be the current trend. If from no matter what, change of trend will happen. I say we get three types of trend. So either the market they consolidate, they go up or they go down. When no, put this in your mind, markets no go up forever. It will surely change trend to either what consolidation or what downtrend. I talk something. I say always follow the what trend. You know about
Yeah.
be like TikTok. TikTok. If you don't make your account blow, what you go do? You go follow the trend or they lie.
True.
So see something, see something. Okay, make I do this. What be the overall trend?
Uptrend.
Uptrend. What be the current trend?
Downtrend.
Consolidation.
Downtrend.
Oh.
Damasi. Be
Down.
damasi.
Consolidation.
So this be day traders perspective. Oh. Make we go swing traders perspective. Hey Charlie. Yeah, come away, sir. Swing traders perspective. Make I go weekly. Weekly, right? What be the overall trend?
Downtrend.
Downtrend. Ogidi, why downtrend?
Because breaking lows stay inside.
Yes. Wait, what be the current trend?
Downtrend.
Downtrend, me damwasi. This be weekly time frame, weekly traders perspective. Oh. But
Uh, yeah, you're correct and I am wrong.
be correct. Overall, be what? Downtrend. See where chart starts from, oh. Then see where chart dey currently. Currently, chart dey down, oh. So it be downtrend. We overall, a way current trend be what? Still downtrend. You get it? Make we mark one as structures. Price start from here. Start from here. Oh, Makofa part start from here, you rise before, you rise before, you rise before, you rise before. This is where the trend change while they lie.
Yo, Harry,
Yeah,
I don't busy something. So
yeah.
why you don't use the come back? If I come back now,
I can come back. Where?
yeah, no.
Yeah.
Why not use the after before red one?
Why I no use this thing? This one.
Yes,
Where I use this one.
yes.
Okay. So the reason we see something. Me, I just they draw like a rough one, a rough chart. So make we see something for you. Make we see something for you. So let's see. We start from here, right? Price rise here. What happen? It fall. If we dey consider, we go talk to what? It rise to here, right? Again. Where it fall. You bow. We see this candle. It rise to here. It fall. It rise to here. It fall. It rise to here. It fall. You rise here, you fall, rise here, you fall, rise here, you fall, rise, fall, rise, fall, rise, fall. You bow. But me,
Yeah.
I just dey draw rough, like this be like rough part of what price they do. I dey consider what price they do majorly. You bow. That's why I just talk say you rise here, you fall, rise here, you fall, rise here, you fall. So this no dey do anything o. If you start to do support and resistance, that be when you go back like why we use I just this be like rough something that they do. You get it? I don't know if you dey bab what I dey talk. That's why you dey bab.
Yeah, they were.
So you go fit consider this step. Say e rise here, e fall, e still now rise to the same low you bab before e still now fall to the same low before e rise. Get it? I just dey draw like what price dey do majorly.
Okay.
You bab. From this downtrend I go start from here. I go talk say price rise here, e fall. Wey you price fall, right? Wey e rise, wey e fall. Therefore, me I no go consider this o. I go come consider this fall. You get it? But meanwhile, e rise to e fall, e rise here small o. I don't know if you dey see this one
Yeah, the two.
before e fall. But I just dey consider what price dey do majorly. That's why I ignore this one. I just come here. So e no be anything serious here. So what be the current trend? Downtrend, right?
Yeah.
Down. This be weak. This be swing traders perspective. You get it? Make you go scalpers perspective.
Ogidi
Yes.
and password.
Scalpers perspective. We trend this
Downtrend.
Downtrend.
downtrend. You get it? Make you identify this trend. Currently, we trend this.
Downtrend.
See, this is where
Yeah.
the chart deal.
Okay.
Ogidi, you know the
Wow.
say the break.
You get it? Oh,
Overall. Overall downtrend.
Arrow up.
uptrend. Just for why downtrend?
Or I see for you
Overall,
down. Yo,
Up.
here,
see
up.
for
See
you.
where, see where he did.
Uh,
Get it? Overall,
overall down.
so make a up. Hey, cool.
Let's say down.
Overall trend,
Up.
uptrend, current trend,
Still up.
go up. But somebody go fit consider downtrend because of this structure you dey see. But e no really be downtrend like that. You get it? Okay. So we do major the current trend, right? from
Yeah.
every trader's perspective.